Come on, go, 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 go. Yep, that's what it is.
So Brendan and I are back here with Project Betty. You know, last time out we got this car, we got it running, we got it driving, sort of driving.
Yeah, a little bit.
The problem we're having still is the trans is not really working properly. It leaks fluid all over the floor. And we do plan on some big installations soon. We're gonna do the wiring in the next couple weeks. We're gonna start taking it apart. But right now we're gonna work on disassembly. Today, since the motor and trans are not doing us any good, and they're kind of almost in the way at this point of our plans, we're gonna pull the motor and trans out of Project Betty and get it ready for the wiring in a couple weeks. So while Brendan's getting some drain pans for us, we're gonna drain all the coolant out of it. We're actually gonna drain the oil as well. See if we can drain some more from the transmission, although most of it's on our floor at this point. And then what we're gonna do is actually disconnect the drive shaft, disconnect the exhaust, and our plan is we're gonna pull the engine and transmission as one unit. Well, there's some fluid in it. I guess it's whatever's in the engine circulated back. Yep. All right, so we just drained all the coolant out. Now I'll take this, and Brendan's gonna drain the oil.
Yay. So I'm just draining the oil and the trans fluid. It makes it easier so you don't make as much of a mess while pulling the engine out. You don't have to, but I recommend it.
Every time we drove this thing, there was a pool underneath it. Brendan's working in the front. I'm gonna start taking off the drive shaft.
All right, since we're not reusing the exhaust, we're just gonna cut it, make it easier to remove the engine. Just cut it anywhere you want. Nice, big, giant machine screw. There we go.
All right, bolts out.
Yeah, ooh, that went too quickly.
Smelly clean shirt, Brendan.
And you're bringing the fucking nicest shoes you ever.
I don't think I got the shoes though.
Like, I was just holding it so it wouldn't, you know,
Did not work as scheduled.
splatter. Yeah, the transmission's fucked.
I kind of knew that. A little bit of metal. It's fine. Brendan took the speedo cable off too. We drained the transmission. I'm gonna work on getting the cross member loose now.
Hi, camera. I am Brendan.
Quite often removing the engines, just like
I got a screwdriver.
take off everything in the way and take the shit off.
All right, so while Bill's in the back, I already cut the transmission lines, got the lines disconnected from the engine. All the fluids are drained. So what we're gonna do is now finish up down below and then move up top.
Taking inventory now. We have the starter disconnected, coolant lines are disconnected, trans mounts off, motor mounts are off, wiring. We got the rest of the wiring for the harnesses disconnected.
Time to move to the top.
Speedo cable's off. I think we're done down here, right?
Yep.
Pull the radiator out, pull the hoses off, and then I think we can hook the engine up and
Yank it.
power steering. Gotta figure that out still.
Just yank it.
Half inch or 7/16 for the bolts for the carburetor.
Yep. I am pulling out the radiator so we don't bash the brand new radiator that we put in.
Just installed.
Just installed, you know.
In case you're wondering why we're taking the carburetor off, we have a lift plate that we're gonna use to pull the engine out.
Starter disconnected. Alternator, melted alternator, disconnected. Forward, my friend. Forward.
Case was lifting until it hit the braces.
Yep. Come on, biscuit. Almost there. Forward. Come on, go. Yep, that's what it is. Bingo. Okay, we're clear. Oh.
So original engine and transmission are out. We didn't make too much of a mess for a change, which is nice. We'll repurpose this somewhere, but again, for what we're looking to do with this car, this engine isn't right. So we're gonna start looking for a new engine. We are going with a T5 transmission. But for now, LS, not gonna happen. For now, we can clean up the engine bay, and again, couple weeks, we'll start rewiring Project Betty.